Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all of social media. And today we are going to be decorating my Louise Carmen. Well, I shouldn't say decorating because it's already set up, but I did get a new insert and that's what I wanted to focus on today. So I love decorating my journals. Just a little way that I like decorating them is like adding a ton of stickers, making them look super cute. This is a Louise Carmen. I recently purchased this. It hasn't even been a month yet. Added a ton of charms. It looks super cute. I love it. It's been honestly perfect. And this is a little cover, like a little wallet insert that I got from a shop on, she's on TikTok. Her name is Samantha. I'll go ahead and tag her down below. But what I normally have been keeping in here is my morning pages, and I won't show too much of that because it's very like personal, but that's kind of how I like decorating them. I like adding a ton of stickers, making it look super cute. This one back here is my reading journal, and I just keep all the books that I've read. I actually need to catch up because I read 3 more books since then. But anyways, what I wanted to do right now is actually decorate this journal. This is it's a passport size traveler's notebook weekly insert. And this Louise Carmen fits a pocket size inserts, but I've been using my passport size ones because these are some that I had purchased way before I even got this journal, this cover I mean. And so I figured I'm gonna get through them before I even switch out to the pocket size ones. But honestly, I've been enjoying the passport size so much. Like, I feel like you can't really even tell that it's a little bit smaller. It's really like not that big of a difference. But anyways, I wanted to decorate this. I have some stickers here that I like using. So I figured we can look through it and decide what we want to use. So I have like Labubu ones, but I don't think I'm going to use any of the Labubu ones. I'm thinking this one's cute, but I don't really go for cats. I have some Western ones. Let me grab all of these that are up here, and then we can look through them together. That one's cute. I'm not going to use that. Some of these. This little Smisky. Oh, this little Coca-Cola one is cute. Wouldn't use that. I like all of these. I think I'm gonna go with like definitely the theme of the red because that's kind of what I've been going for since my cover is red. I don't have to stick with the red, but I don't know, I think it looks kind of cute. So I kind of been going for that. The boo-boo ones. Let's see. That one's cute. Maybe a little large, but that one is cute. And then I have some Western looking ones. This jam is cute. Oh no. A potato, what the heck? Oh, I like that. This is like what, like salmon or tuna? I don't know. Oh, that sun is cute. Ooh, look at these little teacups. Those are really cute. I just got these on Shein, like literally for like a few dollars. Whenever I place an order from Shein, I actually like add stickers, and even if I don't use them right away, I'm like, eventually, you know. Oh, this one's cute with all the little groceries. The boot, that one's cute. Obviously, I'm not going to use all these. These are like way too big, but I'd always just take out the ones that I like, and then I kind of like do, like I eliminate some, and I'm like, okay, yes, nay. Oh, I like that one. That one's so cute. Can't show that on YouTube because it's inappropriate. So, okay, so between all of these, so I for sure love this one. So that one is a yes. And so with that being said, I'm going to pick some that would kind of go, see, I don't want to do, like, this one has words. I don't want to do more words, you know? That would be kind of cute. I think, like, between those two would be this one. I'll still keep this one out. I do like this one, but I think that's, like, too large. I don't know. We'll figure that out. So I'll leave that out here. Put that one away. I do like that one. Random banana. Probably not. Nope. Okay. Do like that. These I can put away because these are, this one's like huge, so I do like the Coca-Cola bottle. So see, like this would be really cute like that. So that means this one would not fit. So I think I should stick to those two as of now. Yeah. So then in that case, I'm gonna put these away, I think. Okay, and I definitely want to pick one of these out. Oh, I also like these, but I think that's like too much. I don't know. I think that one's gonna be too big. It doesn't really like go. Not the blueberries. I do like this one. I think this is the one that's gonna go like the best with it. I think that would look really cute. But maybe we do like the opposite, like something like that, or maybe like this way. Okay, I really wish this was like flat. What if I do that for now? So we can like hold it down like that maybe. Okay, maybe no to this one. But see, I really like these two, and I kind of like the placement like that. So maybe we pick something different out. This is kind of funny because it has like a red flag. What about this? I don't know. I don't know. I'm back into my little, that's cool. Is that the same one that was out here? No, this is different. I do kind of like this one though. And I think this would actually go with the colors that I'm going here. Right. This one's kind of cool too. I can't decide. I'm having a hard time. Oh, wait. I think this one's going to be perfect. I feel like the red's a little off. Oh, no. I'm being too complicated. I think I kind of like this. Okay, I think I'm going to go with that. So I think I'm going to stick these down. And then I can add like the smaller stickers around it. So let's go ahead and stick these down. Oh, I forgot. So we like this placement, I think, like that. Kind of like it like that. I'm gonna stick these down. I'm just gonna go for it and not think too much about it. And that is what we're doing here. So like that. And then the little Coke bottle, like that. I do like how it's like directly by her mouth, like if she's drinking it. And then this one right here. Okay, perfect. Now let's look through the smaller stickers and we can add some of the little ones. I don't think there's anything in here that I would want to add, but you never know. So let's just take a look really quick. I always like adding little pandas. I feel like they're like a good filler sticker. And I don't have any Monchichis that are little, that are like small enough. So we're just gonna ignore those. Nothing else here, right? The cherry's too bright. Okay, I think that's good with those, but I'm gonna leave this right here because I am for sure gonna grab some of the pandas. But okay, we have these. A lot of these are very like simple, like planner stickers, so probably wouldn't be using any of those, but I'm still gonna look. Where's my other sticker book? This one has some stickers too that we can try using. Here's this like happy face. I think I'm gonna use this one because this one like matches perfectly with the color of the journal. So I like that. I think I'm also gonna add this one. It says wild. I keep all the little stickers for these reasons because you just never know when you're gonna use them. Oh, I guess I used them. Yeah, I think I did. I was looking for, oh, what about like an apple? This would be kind of cute. Yeah, and I think I'm even gonna add a little cookie. That's cute. I honestly love that. Oh, and even the milk little jug is cute, like right there. What about a cookie? No, I think that cookie would be too much. Oh, I do like this one too. I'm gonna add this. Oh, I wish I would have added this one right here. It's too late. Well, I could add it here. No, I'm just gonna do it down here. That's cute. What about a little coffee? I think one of these would be fun. Yeah. Like facing that way though. Okay, I do for sure want to add one of the pandas. I just think they're so funny. They literally make me laugh. So like that one. And then maybe this standing up one up here. Oh, I love the pandas. Honestly, I think they're like one of my favorite animals. And they're just so silly. They make me laugh. Okay, that's all that's in here. So definitely feel like it's needing something down here. So let's take a look, see what we can find. Yeah, I don't think any of these would go with this kind of like cover. I'm gonna look in here, see what we can find. Oh, I just bought these stickers from Five Below, and I think using these little sunnies would be kind of cute. Oh yeah. Okay, adorable. Oh, I wish I would have put this one too. And I don't think this one fits, right? No, I'm gonna force it and it's not gonna look right. So we're not gonna do that. Oh, what about a heart? I can use a heart. Oh, and I do have like a white one. Oh yeah, cute. And then one more up here. Oh, cute. I wonder if another one fits down here. I think I would be overdoing it if I put one down here. Nope, I would not be overdoing it. I just thought it would be too much because there's like 2 hearts right there, but I think that's fine. I love it. I think it looks so cute. Yay. Okay, perfect. So that's going to be my planner. So yay. This is my first time ever using a Traveler's Notebook planner, but I'm pretty excited about it. I think I'm going to put my name here, but I'm not going to do that right now. So let me just go ahead and add this in here. I do want to print out, there's a girl on TikTok that shared printables for like a monthly little stickies. And I definitely wanted to do that. I don't think I'm going to do that right now, but I think this looks so cute. Oh yes, I love the way that turned out. And I'm not going to put anything on the back. Like I was doing that on like these right here, but I think that's just like too much. So I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And yeah, I love it. I think it looks like colorful, but still kind of like vibey. So I think it looks so cute. So yeah, this is my little journal that I've been using. I've been using it literally every single day. So, and I'll show you like a little glimpse of it, but yeah, I've been using it every single day. I use it with my fountain pen. This is a Kaweco Sport with a fine nib, and this has the what is it called? Oxblood? I don't know. I'll put it on the screen, but it's like a new ink that I bought, and it's like a burgundy color, and I am literally obsessed. But that is my little setup. I'm probably going to show y'all more of this later on because I am going to try to see, for 2026, I'm not going to use a Hobonichi cousin because I've just realized that that's just too much room. And I'll show you really quick. Where is it at? I just had it. Where did I put it? Oh my gosh. Where did I put my planner? Where is my planner? I can't find it. I just had it. Oh well, but I'm not going to use, oh, I put it over here. I'm not going to use a Hobonichi because I realized that this is just too much room. I don't use any of the dailies. It makes no sense for me. And the only thing that I use are the weeklies. And sometimes I even feel like this is too much room. So I think I'm going to go with the Hobonichi weeks. But I am trying to decide if this will maybe be enough room for me. Because really like my job, my schedule is on Outlook and it's all synced up with my work. And I still write down a few things that are work related in my personal planner, but everything that I write in my planner is just personal stuff like appointments or I got to clean this, clean that, or like what I'm eating. And I don't think I need a big giant planner for that. So I'm thinking this may be just big enough, but if not, maybe the Hobonichi Weeks, because it wouldn't be that much bigger than something like this, honestly, but it has the entire week on one side, and then it has a blank side on the right. So I figured I could try this out for the rest of the year, or at least for a few months, see how I like it. And if I do, then I'll stick with this. And if not, then I will be trying the Hobonichi Weeks and we'll go from there. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. That's going to conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe. And I will see y'all again sometime this week. I don't know if it'll be Wednesday or Thursday, but I will definitely see you this week. Bye.